Hi guys, it's Joe. So I wanted to show you the loaded envelope that Rena had given me for our loaded envelope swap, and I'll link the previous video of what I made for her and a little mini reveal of when we first saw each other's envelopes. So this is what she gave me, and I haven't really opened it other than what I pulled out in the previous video, but that is what it looks like. And this is the back. She didn't do a pocket in the back, which is fine. But yeah, so she did this little pom-pom in the front, and I'll link her video of her explaining what she did to make this for me in the description. So yeah, first things first, here's a cute little acetate washi tag that she made, and it's similar to what I had made her. I love the cute little pink tassels. That's so cute. And then what is this? Oh, a little envelope with a cute little diamond paper clip and some eyelash paper. Cute. I don't know if there's anything in here. Oh, sweet little planner stickers. Is it bedtime yet? Love the foiling, the gold lashes. Pineapple, you're the what? Apple, pineapple of my eye. She did. She believed she could, so she did. Cute little French bulldog. And then last one. So cute. I love how she cut this up. Okay, so she gave me that. Adorable. I don't know how these work. Okay, there. Okay, and then let's see. She made this cute little embellishment packet with some sequins and a gold foiled heart. Cute. Little die cut of the Eiffel Tower on silver glittered corrugated paper. And then, oh, this cute, what is this? Tags. Wait, let me show you this one. This one I was dying because this is so cute. She gave me sequins, but she created this little waterfall packet. And I love the sequins. Paper is awesome too. I think she gave me this paper pad as well. And then she created some tags, and they're all connected by this little charm resin bow. Love it. And then I think she cut the girl out in layered paper, and then she put sequins, and then a cute little bow and some pom-pom trim. Oh, I didn't even know there was a shaker. That's so cute. She did polka dot bows. Adorable. More layering, and then a shaker full of hearts sequins. So cute. And then this is the back. And then, oh, little flap. Oh, this is cute. Little bow paper clip. And a little cardstock paper there. Oh, love the girls. How cute. I love how this opens up. And then she put washi tape there. And then the back side, she put some glitter wings. Love these tags. Put it like this. Adorable. Okay, and then what else? Is there anything else? Okay, so it has two little pockets outside here, and then I love how she did this. So basically it's a ribbon paper, but if you can see, she individually put these mini rhinestones in the center of each bow. Like, who does that? Rena, and I probably would have too. So pretty. And then little pocket, which she said she didn't put anything in it, which is fine. And then a gold cute glittered ribbon. And then inside, this is freaking adorable. There's a little shaker wand with some trim and some sequins, and there's like a cabochon bow in there, resin. So cute. And I asked her, what is this? And then she's all, you gave me that. I'm like, oh, this is the Stampin' Up! Treat cup to put in the front of the cards. I'm like, oh my gosh, so cute. I'm totally gonna scrap lift this idea. So there's that one, and then this one I totally love. It has eyelashes, and look at all that sequins in there. It's jam-packed, and I love how it just stays, and it's just gorgeous. And I love the gold frame, and that's the back. Cute. And then what's this? Cute little pen with a glittered heart chain. And then what else? She said there's some other stuff in there. Okay. And then cute little post-its and some stickers. Oh look, there's those lashes. Oh, it's a Recollection. If you're like this collection, it's from Recollection, and these are the stickers. Adorable. So pretty. Cute. How's that 63 pieces? Oh, how many sheets? There's like several sheets in here. Awesome. So those are the goodies she gave me and she made, and this is the cute envelope. I kind of like don't want to use any of this stuff and just put it back and then just display it. So this was our very first time doing this loaded envelope and actually swapping, and it was so much fun, even though it took us longer than we anticipated just because our schedules weren't lining up. But so it was totally worth it, and me and her totally want to do another one, and hopefully it'll go faster because we kind of know what to do now. But anyway, so that is the loaded envelope that we swapped, and this is from Rena. Put all the links in the description box, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out what I made her, and it was a unicorn loaded envelope. Okay, see you soon. Bye.